GNSS satellites, these are free to everyone. Okay, so what we basically do is we have reference stations all across the globe, and we place them all over the globe for basically what they call differential GPS. Okay, we grab positions from all these locations, put them together to basically make it almost like an average or like a median solution, and then we transfer that data over to our processing center. Here is where we get the precise 2.5 centimeters that we brag about. But what happens here is these satellites send a lot of error, so there's a lot of holes in the data that comes in. So we basically filter it, clean it, the algorithm meets the raw data, and out comes the corrected 2.5 centimeter. So once we get to this point where the 2.5 centimeters is spitting out of our processing center, now we got to figure out how to deliver it to the end user, which is on the other side. So on this side, once we get the 2.5 centimeters, now that data is streaming out, we go to what we call a land and earth station, and we have equipment there which is called a land and earth modulator. And all its job is to do is take that corrected data, spit it up to the satellites, and then this satellite, it's an uplink downlink satellite, it spits it down to our end user. So this whole process right here is called point to multipoint. And so you send that all out, the end users are receiving it, they're receiving it on this receiver here, which is kind of acts like a rover, but it's hooked up to the actual platform through telematics. And so it speaks to all the stuff on the equipment itself. This whole process needs to happen in 5 seconds or less, which it does. So, very good.